Excellent. Now the prerequisite to this is that all the parts must have DimExpert dimensions in them. So this part file has the DimExpert feature in here. You notice the parts are already up to date with the 0.5 millimeter tolerance that I had prescribed in the assembly. That would mean your part drawings are already up to date. So if I were to, if I had a drawing of this part, which I don't yet, I'll just make one very, very quickly. I won't even stick it in the vault. I'm just going to open up a blank sheet here. Bring in my DimExpert dimensions. And there's my drawing with all my tolerances already in there. I think I need a couple more views here. Yeah, there's my top view here. A couple more dimensions. So, there's my dimensions. Tolerances are already applied. I could also load in Inspection Expert. This is a third-party program that we've had a lot of success with, and we can build our quality tolerance plan now automatically from those dimensions. So I just say OK, and it will go ahead and apply a tolerancing scheme, or a quality scheme for my dimensions. It adds my numbers here, and I can export that to Excel as a spreadsheet using a template of my choice. And now it's created an Excel file with my first article inspection report. So this is not part of DimExpert or TolAnalyst. This is another product called Inspection Expert. It's $13.95 for the software. It's something that a lot of our customers have had a lot of success with, and it's just a great way of getting your tolerance information out with your upper and lower limits, and in a standard way. So another benefit for using the DimExpert is that all of your dimensions are coming from one single source and can be used for downstream applications like the Inspection Expert.